Hey you, don't forget to subscribe to the travel.
Welcome to another episode of Tint and Travel. Ooty travel log continues here. Nilgiri Mountain Railway is a 1000 meter gauge railway built by British in 1908. The railway is operated by the Southern Railway and it is only rack railway in India. The railway relies on its fleet of steam locomotive. Nilgiri Mountain Railways switched to diesel locomotives on the section between Kunnur and Udagamandalam. In July 2005, UNESCO added the Nilgiri Mountain Railway as an extension to the World Heritage Site of Darjeeling Himalayan Railway. The site then became known as Mountain Railways of India. If you would like to enjoy the remarkable mountain train journey, you can book your tickets in advance through the Indian Railway website. Please do not forget to book your tickets at least 2 to 3 months in advance, as during the peak season, they get booked very fast. The charming train with wooden coaches stops at 4 stations, namely Kallar, Loudale, Willington and Kunnur. The station Fernhill was closed few years back. Immerse yourself in the magnificence of nature's bounties as it moves through 16 tunnels, 250 bridges and 208 curves. The 46-kilometer distance between Ooty to Mettupalayam is covered in 5 hours. In a bid to enrich the experience of tourists visiting the Nilgiri Mountain Railway, Heritage Rail Museum was inaugurated at the Udagamandalam railway station in 2018. Besides rare old pictures of Nilgiri Mountain Railway, the museum houses old instruments used in the railway such as wall light, petromax, point indicator lamp, gate signal lamp, etc.
சார் எவ்வளோ சார் டிக்கெட்? 20 ரூபா. கிட்ஸு?
For all nature lovers who fancy overlooking the vast landscape of the Nilgiri hills, along with enjoying the jaw-dropping sights, the best place for you to have a great time would be the pine tree forest in Ooty. This beautiful location has so much to offer for tourists of all ages. And one of the magical wonders is its scenic canvases of tall and magnificent trees. It is a famous shooting point in Ooty. The soaring pines, wonderful views, and pleasant atmosphere make it a perfect base for filming various movies. Several Bollywood, Tamil, and other hit films have been shot here. Nestled in between Ooty and Talakunda, the pine tree forest have a good collection of orderly planted pine trees, which range from 3 meters to 80 meters in height. Overlooking the sandy Nulla Lake, the most abundant species of the pine trees that exist here are the Siberian dwarf, Ponderosa, and Potosi pinon. While a few of the trees are about to cross 1000 years of age, most of them are already 4000 years old. This is another famous shooting spot near Ooty town. This is also called Wenlock Downs. This is located 9 miles from Ooty, hence this place is called 9th mile. We are in shooting spot. The place name is Wenlock Down, 9th mile, Ooty. Very amazing place. Once upon a time, it acted as a hunting ground for the British and the Europeans. But now, 9th mile is one of the most spectacular tourist spots in Ooty. The place also appeared in many Indian movies, and the locals thus nicknamed 9th mile as Shooting Meadow. From here, we are going to our next destination in Ooty. This is the end of this episode. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day. Stay tuned for the upcoming videos.